delete this, and automatically that element is gone, right? It's never going to be in the video. The syncing and everything is perfect. Now, this can be also done once you finish the whole video creation process and come back to change things. You can come back to this step and do the same thing. So in effect, rather than you going and doing frame editing or anything like that, you can change things right out of the gate, right here on this section. So meaning you can edit a video, crop things, add things, delete things by just deleting the text here. You delete the text, automatically the video editing is complete. It's extraordinarily easy to use because you don't need to be any video editor anymore. So click next, and then here you can just click one button and enable subtitles. You can choose a subtitle color, subtitle box color, meaning how you want it to showcase. You can even mute the voiceover and only create, for example, a video only or a video with only background music only option kind of setup where you don't need to have a voiceover. This is useful where if you want to just create a video and then add a voiceover later on, or you wanted to create a video without a voiceover, for example. And you can have a custom background. You can add any background here you want. Your video will have this background right out of the gate. So once you click next here, the scenes are automatically created and all the scenes are synced perfectly. Now, this is done for specifically syncing purposes, and that means it simplifies the video creation process for you. No need for you to do any editing, going into second number, 5 minutes 27 seconds, and you crop something. You don't have to worry about all that. All of that is automated, super easy for you. One of the coolest features of the application is our AI image grabber technology that you see here. All you have to do is for any one of these scenes that got auto created, you click on AI images and it will take the script and automatically find relevant images. It's extraordinarily powerful. It uses machine learning and text match technology that is absolutely unique and phenomenal. No other video creation app has this. So now what this is really cool about is it's going to find the script that you created and automatically find relevant images. So in this case, we're saying, are you looking to sell or buy a house? And it has all kinds of house images that you see here. Pretty phenomenal, right? And you can go next and you can find different types of houses. You can even remove the background of it. You can do all kinds of good stuff. So let's say I chose this one. I can just remove the background of this and I can put that, or I can keep the background as well. It doesn't matter. It's going to draw perfectly in that style that you've chosen. In this case, we've chosen pencil sketch, and it's going to draw that and it's going to actually look beautiful like a pencil sketch drawing. The preview is just there to show you how it might look like, but the actual end result will blow you away. That's how phenomenally powerful it is. Now, you can do the same thing for the second scene here. In this case, we're talking about long-term investment, and buying a property is a long-term investment. So you just click on AI images and it's going to find something to do with investment, right? Long-term investment, accounting, and finance and that kind of thing. Wow, this looks nice. So we can just select this one and immediately have this one ready to go. And you can choose from different varieties that our AI system will basically suggest to you, right? And obviously it's gonna beautifully do that process. Now we can do the same thing again for every one of these scenes there, or you can actually go into the upload button here to my right, and then you can actually search for them using our library. So we can go here, for example, and we can say, for example, contact us, or we can do anything to do with discounts. And if you like this one right here, you can either remove the background of it or even select this one, and you can do that. You can mix and match. You don't have to rely on our AI images system. You can also use your own images that you can upload from anywhere you got, or even use our own royalty-free image library, which is billions and billions of images and photos that you can grab. And that's the most powerful thing about this. You don't have to really rely on assets that we give you or some type of format of a file that maybe only 20, 30,000 are available out there. You have billions, so you never run out of actual assets to use. And then again, as you can see here, we can click on the AI images again, and then we can find more actual here with special deal. That looks nice. I'll use this, and then we can go on in this process. It takes just a couple of minutes, really. Very, very fast, very easy to use. No need for any extra applications or anything like that. And of course, if you have anything in your computer, say for example, I have some of these here that I want to use. Say for example, for contact us now, I wanted to use this image right here. I can do that too. So if you brought this in from some other place or from your hardware, or your client send this over to you, you can use that too. And also we have something really cool. We have intro and outro as well. So you could add an intro and an outro. So an intro, for example, would be something to do with like a animated logo reveal or a brand reveal or something like that. You add that intro in and you can put the text and the image, and it's going to sketch that logo, and you can have any text drawn over in the screen. It's just phenomenally powerful. And also you have the same thing with the outro. You can say contact us, call us at this phone number, or email us here, or go to our website here, www.domain.com. You can add a sketch image here, which is basically a logo or anything like that that you want it to sketch, or any image you need. So then what's going to happen is it's going to beautifully, professionally do that whole process for you, and super easy for you to do. Okay. And once you're happy with what you see here, boom, click next, and then give it a name. So I can name this, for example, real estate project demo, and then I can give a resolution I want, and then click create video. Okay, that's it. Click create video, and then boom, it's gonna start doing its work. So as you can see here, once it's finished, this is how this looks like. Let me show you here. You can preview the video here. Right, as you can see here, it looks beautiful. Again, using the different styles like the crayon sketch, pencil sketch, charcoal, or any format that you see. There's tons of these beautiful looking video formats, completely created with the AI powerful system. And now the other cool thing here that you can do is you can download the video by clicking on the download button here, or you can even edit this video or clone this video. So for example, if I wanted to clone this, and we have a progress bar that shows you how long it takes you to finish the video. Generally, it's going to take anywhere between 25 to 30 minutes for a shorter video. For ultra long length video, it could take up to a couple of hours, but it is world class because we have a really high level video rendering technology on the cloud that is super sophisticated and makes it super powerful, where even if tens of thousands of users render, it's not going to take you that much longer than if you were to do it individually yourself. That's how quick it is. So now you can click clone, and we can actually clone this whole project. It'll take all the variables, like the images that I chose. It's going to take, for example, the script that I chose, the voiceover I chose, the style of video I did, and I can do all that, and I can readily restart this whole process right out of the gate, which is extraordinarily powerful, as you can imagine. That's basically SketchGenius in a nutshell. It is the easiest application that you can ever use to create professional looking videos. And what's fascinatingly powerful about this is it converts any photo, any image, anything you throw at it into a beautiful looking charcoal sketch, chalkboard drawing, crayon sketch video, pencil drawing video, blueprint sketch video, animated notebook, sketchbook, and all these different varieties. We have a lot of transitions, different hand styles. We have different animations that are automatically created based on what you want to customize. And it is so easy to use. It really took me 2 minutes to create a video. That's how powerful it is. And here's the best part, because it's all in the cloud, it never takes up the computer space. It works on Mac, PC, mobile devices. It works on iPads and all kind of good stuff. And the beauty is it uses our server resources, so it never slows your computer down or anything like that. So it is something that you can utilize on the go, create these videos on the go. And of course, the best part here is that these types of videos are something that no other application in the planet right now can create. None. There's none out there. That's what makes it so powerful. That's what makes it so extraordinary, because you're going to stand out from the crowd. You're going to stand out from the competition out there and really be able to charge top dollar for the videos that you create with SketchGenius.